How to replace the display panel assembly or top cover. Before you begin, remove the base enclosure and wireless LAN module. Removal: disconnect the battery cable from the connector on the motherboard. Important: make careful note of the routing of the wireless antenna, DC in, and display panel cables for later replacement. Remove the wireless antenna cables from the retention tape and routing channel on the top cover. Remove the DC in cable from the routing channel on the left fan and speaker. Using minimal force, lift the locking bar up on the display panel cable ZIF connector and disconnect the display panel cable from the motherboard. Remove the display panel cable from the routing channel on the top cover. Grasp the top cover near the display panel hinges and open the display panel hinges. While supporting the top cover, remove the three 5mm P1 Phillips head screws that secure the left display panel hinge to the top cover. Remove the three 5mm P1 Phillips head screws that secure the right display panel hinge to the top cover. Slide the top cover off of the display panel hinges and remove. Note: if installing a new top cover, remove all components from the old top cover and install them onto the new top cover. Reverse this procedure to install the display panel assembly or top cover.